Hey there, Bob Trade Genius, the 11th of May again. I want to show you a different chart here with, this is gold futures and the Chinese currency. And if you see here, this is, we're getting a break in the action here on the short side. And I think we're looking at gold starting to now appreciate against the Yuan as well, and it's been making go out to the weekly here, show you is that it's let me go zoom out here a little bit for you. So for me, it looks like it's putting in a little bit of a inverted head and shoulder action, and looking for this thing to pop out. The Chinese are looking for alternatives, and I think they're going to go with a deval here. And so these are the charts you watch. You know, what can the Chinese do to protect themselves, right? They can buy gold, they can buy cryptos, and they can buy real estate. They're pretty much limited. You know, the government's been cutting off every other avenue of escape, and I'm watching for this thing here to bowl out and to go higher. And if you look at our gold chart, give me 1 second. We look very similar. Shoulder, head, shoulder, come up and boom. This is a weekly chart. And if I go out to a 4-hour chart here, looking pretty decent too. And that looks like a miniature version of a inverted head and shoulders to pop up higher as well. And then if I go out to this chart, is here's that wedge I was talking about. Here's the one wedge. It already broke that wedge, tested it for a few days, and came up to this wedge, got tested, rejected, came back down, stayed outside of this wedge. It's coming back up and attacking the wedge again. Now it's in this channel here. Once it breaks out, it goes to 1295, and then you know, the measured move here is 1270 to 1290. You know, get up to 1310. Probably meet this line right here, which is the measured move. Let me zoom in here. You guys know how to, when you do wedges, they break the wedge. You go to a parallel channel, and that's coming down pretty hard from 1320. So, say in the next 2 to 3 weeks, it'll be about 1310. I think that's where it matches gold. So I think that's gold's next move, 1310, and it held up really nicely here with the craziness in the market. The only thing that we got to work on now is, and I'll do my next video, is I'm going to look at the gold to the miners, and then I'm going to look at the miners themselves. And I've been holding miners, some okay, some not, and but I'm expecting a big move, and I want to be in them, and I'm ready to add more. So I think something explosive is going to be coming here pretty soon, and we need to be ready for it. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.